Hello guys! Welcome back to HLB Visa Consultancy. May bagong update sa e-travel na kailangan sagutan bago umalis sa bansang Pilipinas. Ito po ay yung Philippine Travel Tax Declaration. You have 3 options na kailangan nyo pong pagpilian. I-explain ko what are the best option for you. The first one, I have paid the travel tax along with my ticket purchase. Ito po ay kung yung travel tax kasama na sa binayaran mo sa airline. And how can you check if kasama nga siya sa flight ticket? You need to go through to your flight ticket sa price breakdown. For example, 28 USD siya. It is equivalent to 1,620 pesos. And yan po yung dapat bayaran for travel tax. Pangalawa, I have a travel tax exemption certificate from TIESA. Para po ito sa mga active OFW na meron pong active overseas employment certificate or active working visa. Yung pangatlong option, I have paid the travel tax directly to TIESA. Ito po yung online yung pagbabayad ng travel tax from this website. So you can click this website para po magbayad ng travel tax online kung hindi pa siya included sa flight ticket. I hope malinaw ang aking explanation. If you have other inquiries, then comment down your inquiries. Sasagutin ko po yan. Guys, thank you so much and keep watching my video.